welcome back to the second video for the Spring Flings and Easter Things collection by NBK-Design. Here's Nicole, and I like to show you now the paper packs from this collection and also some ideas how to use them a little bit. Flip through the folders. First of all, we have the papers floral chalk. They are black and white with a lot of flowers, swirls, and yes, when you open them, I created them because when you add some of the packs from the or the elements from the artsy bits and pieces, they will nice pop out on the black paint. You can see that looks awesome, and you be sure that your colors, your images will pop out, and also with the elements in combination with the paper. This is the set with the floral chalk papers, and let's see how they look in the zoom version. All different. I like that one very much because you have a lot of space on top, and you can maybe create on top of the flowers on the bottom some extra details with some elements from the paints if you have them. Let's click through into the folder, just drag and drop that one and place that on top, and look at that. So you can decorate the papers with the elements from this collection a little bit. So we have it here. That's nice. And maybe we can open that one, this pinkish one, drag and drop, and we're gonna resize it and place it maybe on top of that color, that flower. So you can see you can start now to really nice decorate this paper, which is black white, and when you add some details, some elements, you can get a colorful, nice paper. Okay, just walk through. This is the floral chalk paper set from the Spring Flings and Easter Things collection. Then we have the next one. Well, that is really, that paper is one of my ever favorite one. It's created with so many different techniques on computer, with hand paint, overlaid. I was stunned when it was ready. You will not believe how long it needed, but it's like a painting. Use that one really how it is and add only a little bit of a detail. It's like a painting. You can print that out, use it for cards, use it for into a frame if you like, and only add a little bit of a word art if you like. We have here in the word art so many words that can be used over here. So we use the bliss, and we have here the bliss as well. Over here, maybe that one. That's too harsh. And that's everything you need. Only a word or a quote of you of that what you like. That paper don't need anything else. It's just beautiful how it is. I can talk about it for ages about that only. The first one in this is also very great. Also with a lot of paint and overlays, and you can see a lot of texture here. Yes, those are the impasto papers. And then we have some more solid ones. Also that greenish one is beautiful with the how is it called? I can't remember. I have it on my tongue. Well, I forgot it. Sorry about that. And this is a green one. And this is a more turquoise one. And also that's a nice one. It's with, you can see it's, we say in German, champagne cherry tree to that. I don't know if that name is also in the US or, but we say champagne cherry tree. Yes, that's right. Here's a little bit one with the gesso overlay. Also nice canvas texture. And yes, these are the impasto papers from the Spring Flings and Easter Things collection. Then we have the next one, pattern paper. I don't do a lot of pattern paper, but I think for that occasion, for spring, pattern paper work always good. And some are with more watercolor style, like this one. You can see here is watercolor. And then we have here one with lines with a sun ray and the cloud. I think that's also nice if you only put on the bottom on the cloud a little bit of a detail of a photo and decorate around the cloud, and it's done your layout. You can also very good clip those papers with transfers, also included in the painter's toolbox this time. Only for a second, just drag and drop them. And over here. And we're gonna clip that paper, and you can see how you can use it together. These are the pattern paper of the Spring Flings and Easter Things collection. The next pack are the solids, cardboard and watercolor texture we have in that set. Also some chalk. Awesome to create all those that all the elements pop out. It works beautifully with the over the out of the box frames. Just add them. Beautiful. Create a card with that in a fast way. I will show that in a different video, that we can flip through the folders a little bit faster here, because the videos already get always so long, because I have so much stuff in always in the collections. So these are the solid papers, and that's for now. In this video we talked here about the papers for the Spring Flings and Easter Things collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, and then we gonna see us in the next one about the painter's toolbox. Have a good time. Bye.